What's up guys? Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the new Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch. This is not the special edition, just the base model. This is going to come with the small and large size bands, so no matter what size wrist you have, it should fit you just fine. Some of the features on this Fitbit are 24/7 heart rate tracking. It is swim proof, has a 4+ day battery life, automatically tracks exercise and activity, 15+ exercise modes and connected GPS, sleep tracking and sleep score, smartphone notifications and apps. The newest feature here is the Amazon Alexa being built in. It has the always on display mode, which I've heard is not that great, but it's nice that they have it. Also can store and play 300+ songs and make payments with Fitbit Pay. The original Versa did not have Amazon Alexa. So those are the newest things, are the always on display, having Fitbit Pay on the base model before it was only on the special edition model. It's also got a thoughtfully crafted design. It looks just like the Apple Watch, let's be honest. Now the interesting part about this is Amazon Alexa is built in, and Google just bought Fitbit. And this was, after this was released, but it'd be interesting to see if future models have the Google Assistant. 24/7 heart rate tracking, apps and notifications, sleep score, and then the 4-day battery life. Now with the Fitbit Versa, you can reply to text messages with Android only. With iOS, you can just view your messages and also receive a notification when there's a phone call, which is nice to have. It's just that's a feature that you only get on Android, is replying. So let's open this up, see what we got inside. All right, opening this up by pulling this tab on the bottom. Comes out nicely. First thing we're gonna see here is the watch. I got the one with the silver band. I thought it was kind of interesting. All right, so here's the watch. Pull this, listen. First thing you're gonna notice compared to the Apple Watch, it's like shorter and fatter than the Apple Watch. So this is, I think this looks like a pretty small band that's on here right now. I'm not exactly sure. I'm really hoping that they change the way the bands work, but it looks like these are the same bands from the original Versa. Yeah, so they have like this little metal pin here, and they're super hard to get out. It's the one thing I hated about the original Versa, so I'm kind of sad that that's still the case. On the back, you can see the heart rate monitor. And it also has a proprietary charging cable. So let's see what else is in the box here really quick. So in here it has the large band as well as the USB cord charging cable thing. So here's the large band. That's the band that I will probably be wearing. It's got big old man hands. Not really. And in here, okay, really? Everything was really easy to open except for that. Okay, so that comes out in its own little box. And there is the charging cable. It's like super wrapped in there. So this charger looks to be the exact same as the original Versa as well, which would be amazing, but knowing Fitbit, it's always a different charger and it's always proprietary, which is kind of annoying because then you can't collect them. Like with the iPhone, you can end up with like 5,000 lightning cables and always have a charger. This one just sits in its little charging deck right there like that. All right, so we got it unboxed. Let's see if it turns on. All right, it's turning on. Pretty good. It has like about a 75% battery out of the box. This Fitbit was on sale early Black Friday at Best Buy, and I believe it was like $149. Regular price is $199. Another really great place to buy the Fitbit is going to be on Ebates, or now it's called like Rakuten or something like that, but that's a cashback website. If you go onto the link in the description, you will get $10 extra cash back on your first purchase. Plus through Fitbit or Best Buy, you're gonna get like 1 to 5% cash back on top of that. So it's a great way to get this and save a little bit more money on top of it. Plus the free $10, why not? Just click that link down in the description to do that. And I love Ebates a ton. It's not much, but it adds up. I usually get like every 3 months like 50 or 60 bucks, so it's really cool. So I got the Fitbit app going here, and it immediately found the device, and it says to type in this code, so we'll do that. Alright, it says it's connected. Says it takes several minutes to complete. We'll start the update. Let's check out the awesome things that you can do. Amazon Alexa on your wrist. Versa 2 has Alexa built in to let you do more with your watch. You can talk to Alexa on your Fitbit device. Set reminders, alarms, or start a timer. Now that's really helpful. Reminders and alarms on the watch are super nice, especially if you have to wake up really early, because it just vibrates on your wrist and then it won't wake up anyone else. You can check for weather, get quick answers to almost any question, and also control your smart devices, which is another cool feature. So you can turn on and off the lights, change the temperature in your house, all that stuff using Alexa. Activity tracking. Track your steps, distance, active minutes, and calories. Always on display. Use this mode to see activity stats and check the time with just a glance. Use Fitbit Pay, pay on the go, which is super nice, and it's way more secure than using a regular card. Heart rate and exercise. You got heart rate zones to see how much time you spend in fat burn, cardio, and peak zones. Real-time pace and distance. Connect to your phone's GPS to see pace and distance during runs and bike rides. Goal track for 15+ exercise. Set goals for specific exercises. And also the auto exercise recognition, which is really nice. So if you're running or something, it'll know that you're doing that and track that exercise automatically for you. Sleep tracking and sleep score I'm really interested in as well. So it's going to give you data without disturbance. All you have to do is wear it to bed and wake up to new stats. Get to know your night with a daily sleep quality score. Your score sums up time of sleep, sleep stages, and restlessness. Sleep mode and silent alarm. Your device has a sleep mode that allows you to dim the display and silence all calls and texts. Set a silent alarm and wake to a gentle vibration on your wrist. Cool. So that's all set up, but that's basically all it takes to get the Fitbit Versa set up. Pretty easy setup process, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to use this for a little bit, and I will come back with another video following up kind of how I feel about the Versa 2, especially coming from the Apple Watch Series 3, because I do love this thing a lot. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below. We are about to hit 5,000 subscribers, so thank you again to anyone that's already been a part of the channel. Really appreciate your support, and we will see you guys in the next video.